Good morning to all of you. In your previous class, I taught you how to prepare data in your SPSS, and today I'll just do a recap by which others will also understand, those who were absent on that day. So let's begin. What you need to do, first you need to open the SPSS. So I fixed SPSS in my taskbar, so I can open from here. So you can after download, you can go to your search engine, you can get, or you just go to your taskbar if it is fixed as shortcut. Okay, let me open. This SPSS will take time because it's a big software, so sometimes it is to take time. My system is a bit slow, still it is opening. Okay, it has opened now. So this dialog box will appear. So here you need to cancel the dialog box. Okay, now you have two windows. One is data view, another is variable view. So quickly I will tell you, in data view you will record the findings, your information you will keep here, and variable view you will fix the variables. So in data view you can see here nothing has appeared, only var means variable. They are asking for your variable to put. Now I will fix some variables over here. So before going in depth, I will just tell you what are these things. So name means how we will identify the variable, by which name. Then type, either it is a text form or it's a numeric form. This thing you need to type here with the margin. For example, age. So age is we are keeping highest, we are 3 digit, and because some people can survive for 110 years, 20 years, like that, and then we are not putting. So for age we'll keep with S3. Then decimals means after point we'll keep 00. For example, if you write income, then we can give 2 decimals. Then level means questions. Then values are actually code. Then missing value, that do you have any missing value. Columns, we are not using missing value and columns. Then alignment as per your choice, you can keep as center, right, left, as per your wish. Then measure is important. So generally in SPSS you will have 3 measures. So I will show you how to keep measures also. And role. So for time being we are not looking into role also. So in your previous class I taught you something about age, income, and other related things. So today we'll just repeat that one. serial name. So in first one we kept as serial name. So you need to write SL, then don't give space or don't give dot. So here you need to give underscore number. Then serial number is numeric, and with you can keep up to 3, maybe 150 participants or 300 participants. You can 3 decimals. Decimals you can 0, because in serial number you are not writing 1.0 like that. Then level, in level you type the question, serial number of the respondent, serial number of the respondents. Then values, we are not using. Missing number you are not using. Columns not using. Is left alignment. Okay. Measurement. So serial number is nominal. Only will know by numbers, right? Then next one, participants name. Participants underscore name. So participant's name is not numeric. For example, John. So we can't identify John as numeric in numeric values. So we'll write here string value for name, address. We always need to use string value. Okay, string. So one person name may be big. So here we can keep 25 to 30 decimal with no issues. So decimals we are not keeping. Then level, name of the participants, name of the participant. Values we are not using code here. Missing column left, and you can keep whatever nominal, no issue about that. It's a string value, it's not numeric. So if it is nominal, no issue. If it is ordinal, also no issue. Then third one is gender. So gender we know, male, female, and transgender. So here we will use numeric value for gender. I will define why. You please see the steps. So numeric value, okay. Here we can keep up to 8, no issue. Then decimal we are not using here also decimal. Then gender of the respondent, gender of the respondent. Then here we'll give numeric value. So you just click over here, then one dialog box will appear. So you keep value 1 for male, add 2, level is female, add, keep okay. Now you can see something appear here. So if I'll make it larger, you can see here. Okay, no issue. You minimize it also, no issue. Then now it is we categorized gender. So we categorize gender into ordinal. So ordinal. Now after gender, age. So age is always numeric value, and one person age may be 110 years. So keep 3. Then decimals in age we are not writing 22.22 years. So we'll keep 0 here. Age of the respondent. And we are not using any code. So here age is always scale value. Then age group. Age underscore group. So here you can put numeric, because you are going to codify it. You will be putting some values over here, and keep a 8, no issue. Age group may be no decimals, and age group of the respondent, age group of the respondent. Then values may be 1, you can keep 15 to 18 years, 15 to 18 years. Add 2 may be 19 to 24 years, 19 to 24 years. Add 3 maybe 25 to 29 years, like that. 25 to 29 years. Add. Okay, and then you categorized it, right? And so in measure you put ordinal. So in this way we also included income in your previous class, and we created income group, income underscore group. So we prepared some code over there, 1 2 3, like that. So I'm not going in detail. You understand how to do this, how to prepare, how to codify things, right? Now we'll go to the data view, and you see in data view this thing appears. Okay, so quickly we'll just income. Okay, income is 2 decimal always, because we are writing 5075 paisa, so 5000.75 we are writing like that. Age of the respondent, then income of the respondent, then income, actual income is nominal value, it's not a scale value. Okay, that day I told you say scale value, but it is nominal. You are getting the raw income. Income group, we can income group of the respondent, so you can codify like 1 up to 5,000 rupees, then 2 maybe 5,000, 1 to 10,000, like this. Add. So we prepare some code on that day. Now how to enter data? Quickly go in serial number, you write 1, participant's name maybe John, gender. If it is here it is appearing. If it is not appearing, then go to A1 button and click. Now you see it is not appearing. Now I'll go to A1 button and then I'll click here. Yeah, so John is a male, age 19 years. So in which age group is coming? He is coming 19 to 24 years. Income maybe 5,000 rupees. So in which income group he is coming? He is coming in income group up to 5,000. So in this way you need to enter data. Then how to save? Quickly I'll tell you. Go to save button. Yes, then select a destination where you want to save, desktop, and you title it, for example test 1, then save it. So it will be saved. Okay, now how you need to cancel? You just cancel here. So yes no will appear. When yes no will appear, you click yes. Then again another dialog box will appear, yes no and cancel. Then click no. Thank you.